So, what you need to do one of these is your little rubber band kind of thing that's going to kind of act as a gripper, and then also your little ring here as well. These are what fall off and cause the socket not to be held on anymore. So, let's see what we can do. So first of all, I have to remove the rubber band that's still on here, because if you're going to replace it, you may as well do it the right way. So what you're going to need is a pick tool of some sort. I'm going to take my pick tool here. I'm going to kind of reach in, grab that rubber band out, which mine was definitely on its way out anyway, and just kind of pry it off there. And you can see, where's the camera on this thing? Here we go. This is just way stretched out. So let's go ahead and get our new rubber band on here. And just kind of, I'm just going to kind of spread it around. What's up? So I got my rubber band stretched out over the anvil here. Just with your thumbs, just kind of hold one side down and just peel it around. Just pull it around the other side. Now I'm going to try this tool here. Now the way I imagine this is supposed to work is you set the ring so it's just kind of sitting in the hole there. And then I'm imagining you just kind of take it. It probably works better if you use a tool to help you set it. Definitely not that way. This definitely takes a lot more effort than I would have imagined. Then again, you're kind of trying to fit a square peg in a round hole here. There, so it'll get it started for you. Let's see if I can show you. It'll get it started for you. And then you can just kind of take your finger or a tool or whichever you prefer and just finish it the rest of the way. And it snaps right on in there. And now, if I grab the socket, it actually snaps on and takes some force to pull it off. Now these are gonna wear out over time. I bought a set of 3 from Tool Guy Republic. Okay, so that's what I'd recommend. You know, if you use these things every day in a mechanic shop, go ahead and get you a set of 5. I think he sold up to a set of 12 or 13. So go ahead and get you one of those. But this tool is helpful for setting the ring, and then you just gotta finish it up. So that's it, guys. Like I said, hit this guy up on Amazon or eBay, Tool Guy Republic. That's your part number for a Milwaukee 3/8 impact. It's going to come with 3 rings and 3 rubber bands. So anyway, peace out.